Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you my easy go-to recipe for these soft and chewy chocolate chunk cookies. The first step is to brown some butter. So I'm taking 2 sticks of butter and I'm just going to melt this down until I get those brown bits on the bottom of the pan. And browning butter is essentially just toasting the milk solids in the butter. And this is just gonna add an extra layer of flavor to these cookies. So when you get these brown bits at the bottom, it can burn very quickly. So once it starts to get that golden brown color, go ahead and take it off the heat and transfer into a heat-safe bowl to cool down. To speed up the process, I threw this bowl into the freezer for about 15 minutes until I got a consistency that's in between melted and softened butter. To that, I'm gonna add the sugars and the corn syrup. Then whisk until the mixture is light and fluffy. Once it's at this stage, I'm going to add the egg and vanilla. And make sure you check the description for the exact measurements of all the ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients and add that to the butter mixture. Then fold together until there is no visible flour. Now I'm taking a bar of semi-sweet chocolate and I'm chopping it up into small bite-sized pieces. Now I'm just using a bar of baker's chocolate that you get on the baker's aisle in the grocery store, but you can use your favorite bar chocolate. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate, whatever you like. Then fold into the cookie dough until the chocolate is well distributed throughout. And this is how your final dough should look. Now this dough does have to be chilled before you can bake them. Now what I like to do is pre-measure my cookie dough balls and I'll put them on a sheet tray and freeze them. I do have a cookie scoop, but it only measures about 1.8 ounces, and I like a thicker cookie, so that's why I weighed them instead of using a cookie scoop. And I was able to get 9 3-ounce cookies out of this batch. Now that the cookies are frozen solid, I like to add them to a freezer bag so I can just bake them straight out of the freezer. And you don't have to thaw them first, you can put them straight on the sheet tray and right into the oven. And here's the final product. If you're the type of person who loves a chocolate chip cookie that has a slightly crispy edge, but a really soft and chewy center with lots of little pools of chocolate, then this recipe is for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.